Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheesecake without a specialized mold. First, prepare your 9-inch round cake pan. Line the bottom with parchment paper, allowing some overhang for easy lifting. Then, grease the sides and paper thoroughly with butter or cooking spray. This simple step is crucial for a smooth release later on. Make sure all your ingredients are at room temperature for the best texture. Now let's create that perfect crust. In a bowl, combine 1 1/2 cups of graham cracker crumbs with 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar. Pour in 6 tablespoons of melted unsalted butter and mix until well combined. Press this mixture firmly and evenly into the bottom of your prepared cake pan. Bake the crust for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, then let it cool completely. For the creamy filling, beat 24 ounces of softened cream cheese until it's perfectly smooth. Gradually add 1 cup of granulated sugar, followed by 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Mix well. Then, incorporate 4 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just until combined after each addition. Pour the filling over your cooled crust. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 60 minutes, or until the edges are set, but the center still jiggles slightly. Once baked, turn off the oven and leave the cheesecake inside with the door ajar for 1 hour. This prevents cracking. After that, remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack at room temperature. Then, refrigerate your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or preferably overnight. When ready to serve, gently lift it out of the pan using the parchment paper overhang. Slice and enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.